Hello, this is McCoy from Coy Creates. Today we are going to take apart a camera. I hope you have a great time. Let's see what's inside. Hello. Okay, so after the intro, we are just finishing unscrewing, and we're about to open it up. Look at it. So it has like the screen and the microchip and stuff, and so I open everything up to see what's inside, and I try to take off the other side of the plastic cover. It isn't budging very much, but it takes a while. And once I take it off, you can see like a weird battery thing in the camera. And then I unscrew more and take off a little metal thing. It takes a while. So once I take that off, I try taking the microchip beneath the screen off. So I keep unscrewing and getting everything to make sure it will come off to see what's beneath that. Sometimes it's hard to find the other screws with all the other stuff on. I didn't know, so I tried to pull it, but it didn't work very well. And then I finally was able to take it. I don't know why to take off the thing real quick. And then I unscrew a little more and pull it off. And I have it's kind of hard doing it. Well, eventually it's kind of hard for me, so I move into something else to try unplugging stuff and trying to take off a different microchip. And eventually I get that one off. Eventually. Still taking it off. Very long process. Ooh, look, I'm getting the cord out, and I took the screen off. And I'm unplugging it. And I pull it out, and I find the final screw, and that helps me take off the microchip. Wait, no. I get the strange battery thing out. I start messing with that for a little bit. And looks like that is just me trying to figure out screws that are too hard to handle because they're too small for any screwdrivers. And it looks like that is. Oh no, I didn't want to shut things off. Oh. Okay, that's for fun, the FPS, but I'm kind of getting it off, but looks like I can't. Okay. Well, that's fine.